Hi, this is Kento at Kamiyama Physical Therapy. Welcome to our channel.
How you doing, guys? This is Kento at Kamiyama Physical Therapy. In this video, I'm not going to talk anything about a certain exercise. What I'm going to talk about is the visual system and how you can utilize visual system in order to help you sense the body better or help you improve your balance in life. So this is a simple thing, but it might be something important that you haven't talked about in a long time or become aware about. So in our life where we have computers and cell phones and everything, where we're so always focused on a screen, we are always using to simply put, our focal vision. We're trying to read things in the on the screen. We're trying to read books. We're trying to read the TV, etc. So you're always trying to focus something in order to recognize the object. And that's all good because that's another way to utilize your visual system. What we might be forgetting to use is our ambient vision or our peripheral vision. So our ability to be aware of our surroundings through our visual system. This is great in a sense that when you learn to use your ambient vision or peripheral vision, you are not learning how to recognize certain things in a sense of like how to read or something being very focused, but you are aware that these things are surrounding you. Meaning for me, if I just focus on my peripheral vision while I'm still looking here, I know that there is a window over on my right side. There's like this wall on the bottom. There's my desk here and a wall here and maybe other equipment. I just know it's there. So by knowing that, I'm starting to recognize the spatial awareness, right? Depth perception and spatial awareness through my visual system to allow where my body is in relationship to that. So if you are a person that is starting to realize that there's some balance issues, right? Or you have difficulty feeling certain body parts or areas in your body in space. So let's say, for example, your hip. You don't know that, or if you become aware of your peripheral vision, you realize that my right hip got closer to the window here. And if I allow my left to go this way, through my peripheral vision and other things, I'm recognizing I'm a little closer to my desk with my left side. But I'm aware because the visual depth perception helps me a little bit. So if you notice that you are, let's say, having difficulty with balance, but you notice that you're like so focused, like when you're balancing, you're like so focused on a certain points. It's good that you're focusing on it because your visual system is locked in, but sometimes it's overriding some of the things in the body to help you progress in balance. So when you're doing it, maybe if you want to do something and you're standing on one side, look at something while being aware of your surroundings or look farther away so you have a better information going back into your brain where you are in relationship to different objects in space, right? Or if you have difficulty sensing certain parts of your body, let's say for like an my hip, and I don't know where my hip is in when I'm doing like a deadlift, right? I can just kind of know and trying to figure it out. Kind of zone your eyes out a little bit, be aware of your surroundings as you do a hinge. See how it changes how you feel with the exercises. Same thing with walking. If you look down so much and you focus on something or you're always on your phone when you're walking, you eventually may lead to less and less stimulus and feedback from here, which has, the less you use it, the less it becomes useful or efficient. So I hope I didn't complicate things here, but this is just a tool that I wanted to share that many of us forget because of our society and maybe stress and you're focused on something. So try using some peripheral vision and ambient vision and kind of see if it changes things with you. It could be a great tool to understand, to use, and how you are or where you understand yourself in relationship to space. So happy peripheral vision. I hope I didn't complicate things, and see you next time.